Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Lexus ES350 with a dead battery. First, locate the small, rectangular keyhole cover on the driver's side door handle. Gently pry it off to reveal the mechanical keyhole. Insert your physical key and turn it to unlock the door. If the car alarm activates, simply insert the key into the ignition and turn it to the on position. This action should quickly deactivate the alarm system, allowing you to proceed. Now that you are inside, pull the hood release lever, usually found near the driver's left foot. Then, go to the front of the car, locate the secondary hood latch under the hood's edge, and push it up to fully open the hood. Remember, the main 12-volt battery in your Lexus ES350 is actually in the trunk. However, you will find dedicated positive and negative jump start terminals conveniently located under the hood for this procedure. To safely jump start, first connect the red positive jumper cable to the positive terminal under your Lexus's hood. Then, attach the other end of that red cable to the positive terminal of the assisting vehicle's battery. Next, connect the black negative jumper cable to the negative terminal of the assisting vehicle's battery. Finally, attach the other end of the black cable to an unpainted metal ground point on your Lexus engine block, away from moving parts. After connecting the cables, start the assisting vehicle and let it run for a few minutes. Then, try starting your Lexus ES350. Once your car successfully starts, carefully remove the jumper cables in the reverse order of how you connected them. It is crucial to drive your vehicle for at least 20 minutes or even longer to allow the battery to recharge properly. If issues persist, consider having your battery and charging system professionally checked.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.